In this episode, we will see how lighting poles are manufactured. The old Polish saying has it that the darkest place is under the lantern. But if we place it on the several meters high pole and connect it to a sufficiently strong power source, then you can even read a newspaper under it. And this will be ensured by Tecpoles from Krągola in Wielkopolska, which manufactures about 200,000 lighting poles a year. Both those standing at roadsides and those found at various pitches and stadiums. The factory is ISO 9001 certified, and it also performs spectacular crash tests of its products, as we will see at the end of this episode.
Infrastruktura drogowa.
The road infrastructure should save human lives, and this is our main objective, to strive to minimize consequences of road accidents.
Wypadków na drodze.
Let's go. We first go to the production preparation department. Here, a design and then documentation is prepared. In this department, a finished product is also verified against customers' requirements. Poles are designed according to Polish norms, using proprietary software. They are manufactured of hot-rolled metal sheets of S235 and S355 type, 2 to 4 millimeters thick. Metal sheets delivered to the plant are already cut to the required width. A roll collected from the warehouse is placed on an unwinder, and the operator starts the automated cutting cycle. First, rectangular, and then trapezoid sheets are prepared. After they are cut to the required size, trapezoids are formed on presses, and the semi-product called rolling is produced. Here we can see how trapezoids are formed to achieve a circular cross-section, using unique stamps and matrices on the press. The station is also equipped with a gantry crane that feeds trapezoids alternately to each press. This process is fully automated. Laser welding is one of the most important processes at the plant. Here, two edges of the material are joined together solely and only by a high-power laser beam. This robot has a power of 16 kilowatts and welds with a speed of up to 10 meters per minute. Inspection and cable openings are prepared in the pole on the plasma cutting station. The work here is done by two robots. Then, bodies are delivered to 3 lines for initial fitting, where they are equipped with components enabling installation of connections for power supply and lighting control. The bracket welding station is also fully automated. Both straight and bent ones are fully integrated with poles, enabling installation of lighting fixtures at various heights. The robotized station for base welding is equipped with positioners to rotate the pole, 2 handling robots, each of a capacity of 280 kilograms, and 1 MIG or MAG welding robot. The pole is hot-dip galvanized to protect it against effects of adverse weather. During this process, the steel structure is immersed in melted zinc at a temperature of 450 to 460 degrees Celsius. This way, a coating of 55 to 90 micrometers is formed. After the quality control, the pole is straightened and its fitting is completed. The product can be additionally provided with protection against corrosion in its lower part. An epoxy coating is applied by spraying onto the pole base. It is from 80 to 200 microns thick. And finally, the announced crash test of roadside poles. The company has its own track for tests of this type. A car can drive at 30 to 100 kilometers per hour. The test is failed if the car hits the pole and stops on it. Poles from Tecpoles are designed for a car to drive through the pole to minimize the consequences of the collision.